This is Pickle. This is Pickle's toy. This is Pickle's second toy because he broke the first one. Here is the first one. Oh my. But he became so enamored of this toy, as you can see, Pickle, that Santa made an early visit and got him another one. So let's see what happens when we turn it on. Pickle. Oh, look, here he comes. He sees. So I'm going to turn it on. Wait, let me back off so everybody can see your handsome face. You ready? Oh, he's ready. Uh-oh, I didn't put the batteries in right. Uh-oh. There they go. Oh, it's this, not the deluxe one that has all the little settings. There it is, Pickle. There it is, little boy. Go play. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, early Santa. I'm so happy. Get it, Pickle. Get it. Get it, little boy. Get it. This is a cool toy. Get a mouse. Get a mousey. This is my happy Christmas kitten. 16 pounds and almost 16 years old. Merry Christmas, Pickle. Charles, I'm recording him. Come here, look. Good boy. Go get it. Go get it, Pickle. It still comes around to him. Anyway, Merry Christmas.